In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your data from Internet Explorer 11 to Microsoft Edge. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have all your preferred settings and information right where you need them in your new browser. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by opening your Microsoft Edge browser. Once you have Microsoft Edge up and running on your screen, look up to the top right corner. You'll notice three dots neatly lined up next to each other. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is your gateway to more options and the settings menu we need to access. Having clicked those dots, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that list, seek out and select the option labeled Settings. You might have to scroll a bit to find it, but it should be there towards the bottom. Once you're inside the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several sections. What we need to do next is focus on the section titled Profiles. It's crucial for what's coming up. After you're in the Profiles section, it's time to look within it for the option called Import Browser Data and give it a click. You are now at the essential part where you'll begin the import process. Here, you'll find the option labeled Import Data from IE11. To proceed with transferring your data, click on the Import button that should appear on the right. Now, the next step is all about customization. You'll be greeted with a list of things you can import, including your bookmarks, saved passwords, browser history, and other details. Take a minute to consider which elements you want to carry over from Internet Explorer to Edge. Ticking the boxes next to each item will include them in the import, so you get to customize this transition to your likes and needs. Once you've made your selections and you're satisfied with your choices, it's time to finalize the process. Direct your eyes toward the bottom of this section, where you'll find a blue button labeled Import. By clicking this button, you're giving the green light to carry over all the selected data to Microsoft Edge. And there you have it. A simple and easy way to ensure all your important browsing history and settings make their way into Microsoft Edge from Internet Explorer. It's a seamless transition, helping you maintain continuity without the headache of starting from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing in your updated environment.